What's up guys, Mike from Rockville, and today we are talking about YouTube karaoke. Now if you're watching this video, you probably know how to use YouTube and you know that YouTube has videos on literally anything. Well today I'm going to show you how you can use YouTube and your phone, laptop, tablet, or TV and a bunch of different Rockville speakers to create the perfect karaoke setup for any situation. So let's go through a couple different setups and find the best one for you. Let's get to it. So the first setup is a completely wireless setup, which is perfect for tailgating and other mobile situations. So imagine you're tailgating or camping, or you're just out and you don't have any access to wall power, but you still want to karaoke. So in this situation, we want to pick a karaoke viewing device that doesn't require Wi-Fi because we probably won't have access to it. So we recommend using a smartphone like an iPhone or an iPad or a tablet that has cellular data. The next thing we need to decide is what speaker to use. So in this case, we need a speaker that is battery powered, has Bluetooth connectivity, and also has microphone inputs. Rockville has a couple of different speakers that you can use, like the Ram 12 BT and the Ram 15 BT, which both come with two wireless microphones and have Bluetooth connectivity and are battery powered, or the Rock and Go series. So there's the Rock and Go 8 and the Rock and Go 10, which come with a wireless mic and is also battery powered. After you set up your speaker, turn it on and connect your karaoke viewing device like your iPhone to Bluetooth. Then go to the YouTube app or youtube.com. The last step is to pick your song. So in the YouTube search field, type the name of the song you want plus the word karaoke and pick the karaoke version of your song. Adjust the volume of the speakers and the microphones as you see fit, and then that's it. Start karaokeing. In this situation, it's a completely wireless and mobile setup, which makes it perfect for situations like tailgating, camping, and any outdoor activity. So that's basically a skeleton for how you would set up your karaoke viewing device with your speaker and then use the YouTube app to find the karaoke versions of your song. Now, in the rest of the versions that we're going to go through, a couple details have changed, but the same principle applies to all of them. So let's go through those situations now too. So in setup number 2, we're using an RCA aux cable instead of Bluetooth. We're still going to need to select our karaoke viewing device like an iPhone, an iPad, or a laptop, but this time instead of connecting to our speaker through Bluetooth, we're connecting to it using the RCA aux cable. Now a lot of Rockville speakers have Bluetooth built into them, but there are still situations where you would want to use an RCA aux cable to connect from your input device to your speaker. Perfect example of this is using a laptop with an RPG 122K system for karaoke. You connect the laptop to the speaker with an RCA aux cable, and then you can use the included microphone to sing into. Then you repeat the same process as before. You go to youtube.com and type in the karaoke version of the song you want to sing, and that's it. Now say you want a bigger screen instead of a laptop, smartphone, or tablet. There is a YouTube karaoke configuration that we can set up using our TV, an HDMI cable, and an RCA cable. So in this scenario, we still need an input device. It could be your smartphone, your tablet, or your laptop. And from that input device, we're going to our TV using an HDMI cable. Keep in mind, for some tablets and smartphones, you might need an adapter to do this. Once we're plugged into our TV with the HDMI cable, we're going out of the TV's audio outputs into our speaker using an RCA cable or an optical cable. Now remember, we still need to be able to hear ourselves through the speaker, so we need a speaker that has microphone inputs. So you could use something from the Rockville's TM series, the TM150 or the TM80, or the HTS series, like the HTS56, which is a 5.1 system that has microphone inputs. So you could karaoke in surround sound. Another really cool karaoke setup is using an RPA 70W BT that comes with a wireless microphone and pairing it with ceiling speakers so you can karaoke from above. Remember, in every situation, we're going to youtube.com or the YouTube app and typing in the karaoke version of the song we want to sing so that it can input on the TV and out through the speakers. Now there is another situation where we can use a TV and YouTube to create a karaoke system. A lot of TVs nowadays are smart TVs, which means you have access to the internet and you have access to a YouTube app. So instead of going from your smartphone or tablet or laptop to your TV with an HDMI cable, you can just use the TV itself as the karaoke viewing device. All you need to do is connect your speaker to the TV's audio output using RCA cable or optical cable. Then on your smart TV, go to youtube.com or open up the YouTube app and type in the name of the song you want to sing plus the word karaoke. And there you have it, you can start karaokeing. So hopefully from this video, you were able to see how easy it is to set up a YouTube karaoke system using Rockville speakers in a bunch of different situations. What are you still doing here? Go karaoke! If you liked what you saw in this video, leave a like and a comment in the comment section below. As always, guys, I'm Mike from Rockville. I'll see you next time.